According to Algerian state television, Algerian pilots are currently undergoing training in Russia on the Su-57. Reports suggest that Algeria may have initially acquired a small batch of 6 aircraft for evaluation purposes. Rosoboronexport's Director General, Alexander Mikheev, recently stated that the first export deliveries of the Su-57 are planned for 2025. This suggests that the agreement may have been finalized before its public announcement. The export variant of the aircraft, designated Su-57E, may differ from the Russian version in terms of equipment and weapon systems. Russian export models typically feature modified avionics or foreign components to meet specific customer requirements. Algeria has been a long-standing customer of Russian military equipment and currently operates several Russian-designed combat aircraft. Its air force includes Su-30MK and MiG-29M fighters, as well as Su-24M tactical bombers.